Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, good news to everyone. TCS NQT is going to conduct exam again. This is good news whoever waiting for job in TCS. There is no registration fees to TCS NQT. Now we see the test dates 18th and 19th February 2021. Registration closes 10th February 2021. Now you can click on register now. You are redirecting to details page. Eligible batches to this exam is 2019, 20, 21, 22. All batches are eligible to write this exam. But one doubt in students, whoever wrote exam in 2020 also eligible to this drive. Now we see more details about TCS NQT. First one, see the NQT score, performance measure of cognitive skills in the area of verbal, numerical and reasoning ability. The syllabus is same for 2020 October also. It can concentrate on verbal, numerical and reasoning abilities. TCS had psychometric test in their syllabus. In this round to check your personality traits. Now we see more details about the test. Candidate with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. Mode of test in centers. TCS this time to conduct this test only in TCS Ion Hub. Last time due to COVID you can take test from home also. 2 year validity of NQT score. You can use this score for 2 years. Apply for any entry level role in any corporate with this NQT score. We see who can apply. UG, PG and diploma students in their pre-final year and final year also apply to this drive. Students with any degree and specialization like Triple E, ECE, Civil, Mechanical, Instrumentation, etc. Anyone can apply to this drive. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience also apply to this drive. TCS partner with many companies. Brands that acknowledge TCS NQT, Chroma, Seeknots, Jumpstart, Ninja, UXT Jobs, Data Patterns, Equifax, Titan, Tata Electronics, Tata Consultancy Services. You can apply all these companies with your NQT score. If you need more details about TCS NQT, you can check in this TCS NQT industry. They also mention in facts candidates who had appeared for NQT in October 2020 can reappear in February 2021 and in all the upcoming tests. Whoever miss your chance in October 2020 can also reappear this exam. If you want TCS NQT interview experience of 2020 campus selects, check in description box. For more campus placements updates, subscribe this channel. If you have any queries, write in comment box. Thank you guys.